Hey everyone, I'm Els and welcome to Els Alchemy, and I'm back with another fruit salsa recipe. You have to do this one change in easy pineapple salsa recipe and be amazed at the bold flavor combination. So let's not waste time and get started on this summer salsa recipe or summer fruit salsa recipe. We need pineapple. We have to cut a pineapple into small dice size for this pineapple salsa recipe. Now, but how to cut a pineapple for the salsa? Well, I have done a video and I shall link it in the description in case you need help to break down this pineapple. Can you guess what is this? You're right, it's cucumber. Just like we dice the pineapple, we need to chop the cucumber to a similar size because every ingredient in the bowl needs to look in the same size. I used 2 cucumbers for this vegan salsa, but don't go adding in more because we need balance. Next is bell peppers. You can use half of a bell pepper or capsicum. I had some mini peppers in the fridge, so I thought of using what I had, and I used 2 red, 1 yellow and 1 orange just to make this fruit salsa a bit colorful like the rainbow. Then it's onions. Use 1 onion, and if you don't want to cry while cutting onions, just place a wet towel or wet tissue on the chopping board. Why do we cry while cutting the onion? I did a video on that as well. Please check the link down below. For dressing, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Choose to use anything that you have, but really, balsamic vinegar is best for this recipe. It's tart and sour, which is a contrast to the sweet pineapple. And then salt. Because this is a fruit salsa recipe, I suggest that you taste as you go when it comes to salt. So this is that one change in the pineapple salsa recipe that changes the flavor instantly. Instead of jalapenos or serrano pepper, I chose to add 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder. Trust me, this is not a spicy fruit salsa, it's just that the combination of sweet pineapple, salt and chili powder works on its own, so why not make a pineapple salad out of it was my thought process. You have to rest it for 10 minutes before serving to get the best results. It works well with any protein that you choose because of the balance. If it's spicy, you can cool the taste buds with this creamy vegan flan made without eggs or a dragon fruit smoothie, but hey, drink it with caution, and I shall see you on the next video.